Hello mga katatak! In this generation, people are craving for equal rights and equal love. Today, we will witness the short film produced by 4 communication students, namely Bern Andrew Bernabe, Mary Grace Equipilog, Stephanie Rose Haveliana, and Ayan Maurice Gomez from West Visayas State University. Their short film aims to point the youth and the people of our society in a new forward-thinking direction. So sit back and relax because we are going to witness their short film entitled Gabriel.
Gab! Kamusta ang preparations for the bar?
Okay lang, medyo mabudlay pero kaya.
Coffee?
Thanks pa.
By the way, nga daw wala kagid may ginapakilala sa mo na ako. Kilala mo si Sofia, the daughter of the mayor? I met her the other day. Kagamba niya, wala man siya may gina-date. So, nag-arrange ko sang date para sa inyo.
Hindi na pa. Hindi naman kailangan. Time will come, abot ginaya.
Wala man niya pressure. Ang gusto ko lang, magkilala na ika mo. And come to think of it, she's the daughter of the mayor. I know you won't fail me. Gab, that's tonight. Gab, is that for Sophia?
Yeah.
Okay.
Isa ganito spaghetti, tartufo. And one classic spaghetti with meatballs.
That's all.
Yes, thank you. Oh, you must be Gab.
Yes. Andrew, Steve?
Yes.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's okay. I understand. Wala makudugay. So, it's finally nice to meet you, Gab.
You too.
Well, I heard from your dad you're preparing for the bar exam.
1 month left to prepare for it.
Feeling the anxiety yet?
Yeah. You, what do you do?
Oh, well, I'm in med school right now.
Yeah? What do you want to be?
I haven't decided yet. I don't know. Siguro ma-PG ako, pero wala pa.
Wala pa ka-decide?
Wala pa.
Are you too old? Wala pa kaya mga decide?
Depende lang na may duty pa.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's eat. That's all you're having?
Isa pa, sir. Thank you.
Their pasta tastes so good.
I'm not hungry.
Okay. If you don't mind me asking, Gab, are you okay? Oh. Is there any problem?
Why are you doing this?
What do you mean?
To this? Nagapati ka sa mga parents, tawang ano yung ba nila?
What? I don't understand you.
Don't tell me you don't understand me. You know exactly what's happening.
Wala ko yung kabalusang inahambal mo.
Nag-istorya ni Papa mo sa Papa mo. What? To set this up?
What?
What do they need from us?
What do you mean?
Ano ni? Pinuliti ka na naman?
Wala ko yung kabalusang inahambal mo.
Don't even try to pretend like you know nothing.
Wala ko yung nakabalo. Oh my
Wala ka.
God.
All this time, pero may mo lang ginambal, wala ka balo. Like, wala kang yung mga kabalo.
Grabe ka ha. I can't believe you're even saying that.
It's true. You guys are desperate.
I am not having this conversation with you. Excuse me.
Gabriel, open the door. Gabriel, buksin eh. What the hell did you do last night? Ginpakawian mo si Sofia. Hindi mo ko gali pagtalikdan kung ginastoryata ka, ha? What the hell is wrong with you? Ginpakawian mo ko sa kumpare ko. Ginapakawian mo ang pamilya ta. Wala ka na panumdom kung anong ginobra mo? Ha?
Nakainom na din ko kagabi pa.
Kagaan na ginom ka? Balaan mo matubang ka to, nagpahubog ka? What does it say about you? Ano na lang ang balon sa tao sa pamilya ta?
None! Kaya mo na napin sa utok mo! The only thing that matters here is kung ano ang balon sa ibang tao! Pero may pinuluti ka! Pati ako nalaigon mo!
Dali lang! Where is this going? Ang ginaayo ko sa imo, kilalaon mong bata ni Mayor. Hindi mo kilala na binastos!
Pero may mula akong ginunahan pa! Ako! Di ba ba ako papawa ano gusto ko?
Ano ang gusto mo? Tell me, Gabriel! Ano ang gusto mo?
gay. That's it, okay? I'm gay. I don't want to be a disappointment to you. Baka ibang ako disappointed ka na dahil hindi ko gusto itrahan ng politika. What more kung mabala nyo nga I'm gay?
That's what I've been waiting for. Ginahulat ko lang na ikaw mismo mabalsakon. I set you up with her because I thought maybe basic pa lang sa lako. Pero I already know it, Gab. I just want you to be strong enough para ihambal mo na.
I'm sorry. I didn't want to disappoint you.
Gab, you are my son. You'll never be a disappointment to me. Ikaw na lang nabilin sa ako.
I'm sorry, pa.
It's okay.
we have here Mr. Bern Andrew Bernabe, one of the producers of the short film Gabriel. So, hi Bern.
Hello, Lynn.
We've heard that you have been awarded as the first placer of the first short film festival in West Visayas State University. So, how do you feel about that?
Of course, we're really glad and we're really happy because nag-top ang amon nga film for the first ever WVSU Short Film Festival. And of course, we're really happy kay naging all our efforts has paid off. So like, happy gid kami kay ang mga skills nga natun-an namon sa film art, it became worth it. And all those sleepless nights, naging worth it siya for the short film.
Okay, so congratulations for that.
Thank you.
And why did you came up with this topic or this story?
Of course, the topic is about a closet guy. But as you can see sa film, we really wanted to show to the community and to expose to the community how this kind of people deal with these issues in life. Because of course, we all know that hindi masyado open ang amuning issue sa aton nga sosyedad. So, it is really common subong, and we chose that because we wanted also to put something nga makapa-express more sa mga tao nga parehas kay Gabriel.
Okay, so the next question is it difficult for all of you to find those characters that suits for your film?
Siguro it's not that difficult because we have friends who also know how to act, especially that we have friends from the theater. We also have friends nga mayo mag-declaim, and of course my friends man kami nga older than us nga also know how to act. So it's not that hard for us kay siguro sa connections namon and sa experiences man before kay some of us sa amon nga group part man sang mga example ako part man ko sang theater, and ang iban may mga kilala man nga mga theater actors, so it really helps nga sa connections
Okay,
namon.
connections. So what are your preparations in producing this film?
Of course, ang preparation namon, we started sa script. We also kinala namon mag-prepare sang amon nga gamit, equipment, mga video production equipment. We need to plan kung ang timetable para kay because one day lang 24 hours lang gid ang amon nga time para mag-shoot kag edit. So like kinala namon sang timetable. And of course, mga resources ay mga props, ang mga cast namon, kinahanglan namon nga pilion kung sino gid man ang suited nga cast for this character. Tapos of course, pre-production planning on how we will do the shots, kung paano namon nga ipaabot sa audience ang through visuals ang amon nga message siya gusto nga ipaabot. So, amo na.
So have you encountered challenges or problems sa inyong group?
Of course, syempre, ang challenge sa amon nga group is sa time kay we only have 24 hours para ubrahon ang tanan, mag-shoot, mag-edit. Kag after the day, after the shooting day, may ara pa kami test sa isa namon ka subject. Kag may exam pa kami. So, kinanglang gid namon nga mahabol ang film kung hindi kami kakuha exam. Tapos, kinanglang gid namon nga i-practice ang amon cast kay gusto namon nga maging perfect ang ilang acting. So, naging helpful man gid ang pag-practice namon. And it's so challenging lang gid kay at that minimum time na kaya sang mga actors namon nga mag-act the way na we wanted them to act.
So do you have any message to our fellow katatak, especially to those LGBT or the lesbian, gay, bisexual, and the transgender?
My message is that I think we all should know how to understand each individual and their struggles in life. I know na it's very common nga ang issue sa amon film, and I hope na ma-understand sang tanan and how hard it is for them to be in that place. So to everyone, I hope na we all need to be open-minded. We all need to be open-minded, and we all need to understand those people nga gaagi sa mga muni nga proseso sa life.
Okay, so lastly, do you have anyone to thank?
Of course, I would like to thank the faculty and staff of the College of Communication for teaching us everything that we applied in this short film. And of course, to our friends who supported us, and our editor, and our cast, and our family, of course, for supporting us financially, and for the moral support, and my classmates, of course.
Okay, so that's it. Thank you. Thank you, Bern. The short film Gabriel discusses society's false predispositions on homosexuality. It is about love, not gender. So move forward as a society and recognize that all love is the same love. Accept, live on, and be yourself. I am Lindsay Joy Bade for Cine Ilonggo.